Cutting the
तो
flower. You cutting the flower. Hi, Lynn. Good evening,
अब मैं इसे कैसे बताऊंगी ये किस चीज़ का फ्लावर है। हम तो अपनी
Lynn.
जुबान में से
Artist
सरसों
Michelle
कहते हैं।
Bahame. Tap, tap, tap.
सो
Hello, October. Are you in Dubai now? Are you in Dubai now?
बस करूँ है
3 day incoming Pakistan. Kapila, kapil, kapsa.
Pakistan and Dubai. Yung,
Dubai,
flight,
Al Habiba.
what,
You know Al Habiba? Zabil, you know? Zabil?
you tried the vapor. Vapor and,
Yes, yes. This you know?
onion. Onion? Flower or onion? Ay, no. Yan ang nilagay ko ata sa mukha ko.
यार तीखा तो बात है वेला
Sunog kasi sabi nila, pantanggal daw ng ano yan. I think flower. I know the flower.
this for you.
I put, thank you. What is this the name? What's the name? Flower.
I don't know, sorry.
I know.